We're going to Dallas. That's right. Pre-boarding status. Cloudy. Yeah, this was a good pilot. Wife up there, I'm trying to. And she left me. I gotta go. How come every city that we go to, their airport's better than ours, baby?
Yeah, this one's nice.
Right? Let's all go to the mall today. Oh, the 1600. They said there's a bar and a restaurant down over there. Ooh, this hotel has a restaurant. There's elevator set. Ah.
Oh, gosh.
Okay.
What number?
11.
Is this specific elevator?
Yeah, because we're specific fancy.
Oh,
Okay. Do I have to bring this back?
yes. It's not that big thing.
Huh?
It's just not that big thing.
We got like a foyer. Ah! Trying to run me over. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, so this is the bedroom and couch and TV and coffee maker. There's the mini fridge. Oh, sorry, baby. That's the bathroom and shower. Oh my God. It's like a fucking conference room over here. Holy hell. Baby, I think I did good. I think I have too much room. There's a microwave. What do you think? Wait, you haven't even seen it. You haven't seen it. Come here. This is like a little bit.
Stop filming me.
That's not the right way. This way.
Why do we meet from?
I don't know.
You're joking.
It's like a table. You want to make a conference? Or you have a conference
We're
there?
gonna have a conference.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. They asked me if I wanted an upgrade, and I said yes. The microwave. And so we're gonna have a good time. Oh, let's see the view. Let's see if there is one. The windows are closed, so maybe not. Oh shit! We see the giant eyeball.
We've always seen the giant eyeball.
Yeah, but it's right from our window. And then see we walk that way to get to where we were last time.
Look at that pool. It looks so cool.
Oh, that pool is cool. All right, we're gonna stay there next time. But last time we were at that hotel, cause that's the one with the Pegasus. What was that hotel called?
The Pegasus?
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think so. But yeah, that's the hotel we were at last time. But this is pretty cool too. So yeah, they're gonna do Dallas in style.
Yeah, the eyeball's so gross.